Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer, once again in the YouTube today. Before going into one of the emerging technology, I want to tell you, wish you happy Diwali to you all. So today I am going to take IoT, Internet of Things. So this emerging technology I want to explain some overview functionalities. So before going to the Internet of Things, I want to make you awareness and I want to make you understand what do you mean about IoT and what do you mean about networking and what is a network management. So for all questionnaires and answers, here are the answers. So now I am directly jumping into the session called IoT. So here in techno functionality terms, IoT means IoT is used to allow users in order to achieve deeper automation, integration, analysis, chip management, chip performance, system performance, and overall functionality and management of complex business application in the information technology field. So, in order to make you understand in layman terms, I will tell you like so you have purchased one 55 inches smart TV like MI. So in order to use it, what you have to do? So you have to install some services and you have to manage it and you have to install the services and you have to use the services. So in order to do this, you need some automation techniques and you need some troubleshooting techniques, networking techniques. So in order to do all these things, IoT will help you. Internet of Things will help you to do this. So in order to make you understand, I took that smart TV example. So in 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 a real time scenario, Internet of Things is vital plays vital role in hardware management, chip management, memory management. So these areas IoT is useful in the real time scenarios. Now I am coming to the key features of IoT. What IoT will do? So IoT is useful in the artificial intelligence in order to make the systems virtually smart and machine learning, emotional behavior, and also speech recognition. So IoT is useful in artificial intelligence. IoT is applied and useful in artificial intelligence. This is one. So another benefit is connectivity. So connectivity between the network and the servers, network and chip management, and also install the hardware services to work freely in the system management. This is one benefit. So another benefit I am coming is sensors, auto sensors. So what I mean to say is IoT is a plays important role in auto sensors like in the automobile engineering and also mobile management. So automobile engineering, what I mean to say is so suppose you are going to purchase one of the so most featured and advanced car, so their auto sensors are used. So if you use that auto sensors, press the button, so with the auto sensors you can drive and you can go left, right, and also you can apply the brakes. In that area it is applied. Now I'm coming to another benefit is active management. So active management is it is IoT is used to give the product a well-tuned product. That means well-tuned sales product and well-tuned software product. For that purpose, IoT is used. So finally, before winding up the session, I want to tell you IoT is Internet of Things useful in hardware management, auto sensors, automobiles, and also in artificial intelligence, and also in curing advanced diseases. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Now I am winding up the session. Thank you very much. I will catch up. I will catch up later with another technology. Thank you.